This is a video about wearing Soulful Keys collection. In case you have bought the above products, next we show how to wear them. How to open the bracelet correctly. When you first get the Soulful Keys collection, you need to find the slit in the center, depression of the grommet. Insert your fingernail into the slit and press down. If you hear a crisp click, the snap is open. You can also find this toggle from the video in your package box and use it to open the clasp instead of your fingernail. How to wear a bracelet correctly. A few purchased safety clips. First, insert one of the safety clips. Then insert the beads you like. And finally, insert another safety clip. They will prevent the beads from slipping and can also fix both ends of the beads. If you purchase a safety chain, insert one end of the safety chain into the bracelet. Insert your favorite beads. Then insert the other end to prevent the beads from slipping. And finally, close the buckle.